And we're off. Welcome to Hait, or Hait. I'm not really sure how to say this city, but welcome here anyway. This is a part of Saudi Arabia that has a huge selection, I guess, of these geoglyphs. We have always been super fascinated by them because from the ground, these basically look like piles of rocks, but from above, they are spectacular. So be sure to check that out. Why would you be sure to check it out? It's gonna be in this video. Oh my gosh. We made this a little stop on our trip just because it is known for having lots and lots of these geoglyphs. I always find this to be quite a boring stop for me because I'm just hanging out, looking at piles of rocks. Rocks, rocks, more rocks. Maybe I've been out in the middle of rocks too long, but when Eric gets the drone out, he can see what these formations look like. Just a big old pile of rocks, right? Wrong. I think we're still in the lava fields of Khaybar, or Harrat Khaybar, but this place has maybe one of the highest concentrations of geoglyphs in Saudi Arabia. So that's why we tacked it on to the end of our black and white volcano video. What? I mean on the end of the black and white volcanoes trip, because we're actually really close to the black and white volcanoes. Instead of getting back on the road and heading back towards Khaybar, we headed the opposite way into Hait. So we are still around the Khaybar area, but we are now seeing some different geoglyphs that we haven't seen. Archaeologists aren't entirely sure what these geoglyphs are here for. There have been thoughts that they could be burial sites, but to my knowledge, there's been no bones or anything found in them, so that doesn't seem super likely. There's also been the idea that possibly they're here for livestock or animals of some sort. My current running theory is aliens, because why? Why would they be here? And why would you only be able to tell what they are from above if it's not aliens? Okay, I'm not really serious, but I don't know. Who knows? No matter what these were used for, I think everybody agrees that they are prehistoric. So they've been here for a long time. What do you think? What are these stone structures here for? Be sure to tell us in the comment below if you have any ideas about what they could be. And as always, be sure to like this video if you enjoyed it and if you're wanting to see some more like this. Also, this is not our last trip. It is not our last adventure, so be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye!